Hello and welcome to this video. I just cleared the table from unpacking the very generous parcel from Noctis Motus, and I was curious to try his challenge lock here. So from the label you can read Noctis number 2, which clearly indicates that this is his second challenge lock. Here is the bidding on the wonderful LOCKWOOD key. It's a 5-pin lock. Works very nice and smooth, and I've not yet tried to pick it, so it's the first time for me to try this lock. Alright, pay attention from the opposite side of the pins, and I will start with a Sparrow's shallow hook. So maybe zoom in a little bit more. So, pin 5 is binding. Oh no, it's not. No. Sorry, it was just a little fly. So this is attempt number 2 after the failure of the first attempt after 7 minutes of unsuccessful picking. Let's try it again. So heavy tension. For the first binder, and it's 5. Release tension a little bit to get under him. Okay, I think I got it set. Work my way to the front. It was 2. I think 1 is also set. I set it accidentally with the shaft of my pick. I felt a little turn on the corner. Now there's no feedback anymore. Okay, some clicks here. Again, a little turn on the core. This is a great lock, man. There is something. Oh, nice. I think it was 2 and 3 and and the plug turns. Great. Come on. I release tension a little bit now. Maybe this helps to convince the pins to go to the shear line. Try to identify the pins that give feedback. There's something in the back that gives feedback, but and it's open. Cool. Felt like a tiny spool at the last position. Alright. So I'm really curious to see what's inside. Oops. So before looking at the pins really close, I want to check the plug and the Bible for modifications. So let me zoom in. We have a plug with 6 chambers, all are threaded, but only 5 were populated. Very nice work. And we have the Bible. No modifications here. How many chambers are there? There are 6. So could be populated with 6 as well. But now let's look at the pins. Nice work from Noctis Motus. I think the key pins are all standard, maybe beside of the last one. Looks interesting with these scratches here or serrations. Very sharp. Okay, from the drivers we have a cool looking driver at in the first chamber with a it's actually like a T-pin, because the end part that goes towards the shear line is a little bit smaller. Then we have a spoolish part and 2 serrations. Here we have a commercial serrated. I think it's a commercial, it looks like. Then we have again a spoolish type with 2 serrations on the end. Another commercial serrated, and chamber number 5, a homemade serrated with a very sharp cut here to hang on the threading in the chamber, and also a nice little lip here at the end. So great work, was really fun for me to pick this lock. Thank you very much, Noctis Motus, for making this lock and sending it my way. Yeah, everybody else, thank you very much for watching, and happy picking. Wrong one. Bye bye.